What are you guys doing?
We're shaving like big guys.
Big guy?
Yeah.
Wow. Be gentle.
Don't cut yourself. There you go. Now you're getting it all out of there. All right, let's rinse off. All done? Almost?
Scratching his face.
Yeah, there you go. Let's rinse off. There you go. There you go. Now you can wipe your face. Wipe your face. Let's see if we got it all.
Thank you, Papa.
Thank you, Papa.
Yeah, now you're shaved all nice and clean.
Thank you.
Yeah, nice and clean. Look at that.